Hey guys, today I want to go and show you an very cool, the best XP farm for 1.21. It's with allies and with the roses, but it's like really compact and you're getting crazy fast levels. If you really liked the tutorial after you finished it, please give it a like and share it, and maybe comment down below what do you think about this beautiful farm. Okay, first of all, you go and get your dirt blocks and place them like this. Next, you go and get your half slabs and place them around like that. So when you got that, you get your dirt blocks again, make them like 3 more high, but it's just for placing a dispenser like this, so facing down. Next, you can destroy the block above. Go and get your quartz. Yeah, and just go this high, so you have 1/2 high now. You go around these, don't do the corners. When you got that, you go over here and sneak, so it looks like this. Alright, so what you need to do, go and get an ally now. So let me go and get one, spawn them in here, and then close the lid. Then you have one in there. So, or you go and find one of these guys here. Come on. You go and get them on a leash, and then you can give him a cobblestone. There you go. You go and get him on the leash. But what you can then do, we need to go and lead him into here. What you do is just throw a cobblestone in there. And then when he's getting into there, hopefully. Okay, now he picked it up. So this is it. You got one. To get more of these guys, you can pick them up or whatever. Or you get a jute box. Just get it over there, and a disc. You can use whatever you like. And we play some music. So now he's like dancing to it. Next we need amethyst shard. Now when you have the amethyst shard and playing the music, you go hit the one and you get 2 of these guys. Get the 4 wither roses, place them in here. They get hit but they don't die, so don't worry about that. What we need to do now is go 2 from the wall here, so 1, 2, and then you go all around with fences. So when you got that, you go and get your carpet on the corner, so you can go hop in and hop out here. Go in here and go to the side here, sneak, and place a button on the dispenser. Next you can go and open the dispenser and get all these splash potions of infestation in there. And you press once the button and you get out very quick, and now you can see they spawning silverfishes, and it's crazy. Now 3 minutes they let spawn silverfishes. Well, you can go and get a sword and can kill the silverfishes with that, or you get a splash potion of harming and kill them all you can see. That's amazing. So what I've done now, I got a lot of allies in there. I just spawned them in there. So when I go now and switch the game mode, every silverfish is coming over now. I just use my splash potion and look what I get. I have now around 25 allies in here. So what you need to do once a time, you need to press the button and then you need to wait. Look at this, how many they get spawned here. That's insane. So make sure you got enough splash potions here. Look at this. I just standing here like maybe 15 seconds. That's insane. Now 20 levels. Look at these. So you could go splash them now. Ouch. And kill lots and lots of these guys. Oh my god. It's never ending. 13 level was one splash potion. Let's go get the next one. Wow. Wow. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please comment below, like this video, share it, and I hope I'll see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Bye bye.